All right, we're now here at Chef Artsmith's Homecoming. Mommy got her margarita. I ordered the apple pie a la mode moonshine. I ordered the Chef Artsmith's fried chicken. They got, what did y'all get again? The barbecue burger, right? Yeah, they got the barbecue burger. So we're gonna be getting that out soon. We've got our hush puppies now. We're gonna show you how that goes. We're gonna try those out.
Hush puppies with pimento cheese and some little sauce. We'll have to see what that is. I didn't read the description and menu. Well, they're not from North Carolina, that's for sure. They're not very crisp. They're more cakey.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're not crispy.
Try the red jelly here now. Whoa. Wasn't what I was expecting, but I don't know what to compare that to. Like, what does that taste like to you?
Moonshine Margarita.
How is it?
That's really good. Oh yeah, that's good. Hope. That's good. So this is refillable for $13 with any drink here from the bar, and also you get free soft drinks, free lemonade, free iced tea. Anytime, a year from now, anytime, she said you can come back and stop in and get free refills and a discounted refill for the bar service. Is that apple pie a la mode, Ian?
Yeah, it's apple pie a la mode.
What do you think?
It's good. I forget what's all is in it though.
Vanilla, cinnamon.
Yeah, because it's apple pie moonshine. It's got vanilla and cinnamon. You can see the cinnamon on top of it here. But I don't remember what else. We'll put like the description like what else is in this. But it's really good. It's unique.
Can you sing the apple pie moonshine song for me while you drink it? No?
I don't know that song.
You'll need to look that up and put that in the background.
You can definitely taste like the apple pie part of it. It's like, but it's like obviously different because it's like moonshine. But
Let me see. Sweet. It does taste like dessert. It does not taste like a drink at all.
yeah, it's weird.
Drink it.
Sit right there.
Cinnamon.
How much you drinking, Daddy?
Easy does it there, Elmores. What do you think?
You're right, it tastes like dessert.
Do what?
It tastes like dessert.
Tastes like dessert. There you have it. Wow. Some barbecued biscuit, macaroni and cheese in this huge skillet. Pickles, I don't know what they're there for. And a little bit of slaw.
Then I've got my fried chicken. Is this cornbread? Biscuit. I got my biscuit, my cheddar biscuit, and my mac and cheese. So definitely very interested to try the Chef Artsmith's famous fried chicken. Here I've got a piece of little, is this a wing? Leg. I don't know my chicken, okay? But it's fried chicken, and it's the famous Chef Artsmith's fried chicken, so take a bite now. This is unlike any fried chicken I've ever had before. Yeah, the cheese is very stringy. I've seen that in videos before. That the mac and cheese is very stringy, but this is like, I'm gonna have you try this because this is unlike any mac and cheese I've ever had. I mean, not mac and cheese, like any fried chicken I've had before. It doesn't taste like, I don't know what if it's like the breading or what it is, but it's very unique. I mean, I like it a lot, but it's not what I expected biting into it. I mean, this is really good, but it almost tastes like this might sound negative, but I think it's in a positive way. It tastes almost like fried fish in a way. I know it's gonna sound bad. It's not like fish and chips fried fish, but it has like maybe some of the same seasonings that are used or something. But yeah, because they have like a catfish here too. But I'm gonna have Mommy try this in a second, see what she thinks of it. This is really good.
That is awesome. That is really good.
Did you see what I mean by the fish quality?
A little bit, but it is probably the seasoning, but it is amazing.
It's really good.
That's awesome.
Very good.
Awesome, thank you. That is,
How is it?
it's really good, but it's like a hint of sweet in there. I can't place it, but that is some intense cheese. It must be one of the blends of cheeses that they use. It's really good.
Oh, guys, you want to try some of the barbecue now?
Go ahead. What do you think? You like it? That's really good. I like that.
How's it compared to like Carolina barbecue? Or like smoky bones, for my reference.
Nothing in North Carolina.
And so it's not North Carolina. It's not
It's
like
its
that.
own thing.
It's not like that thin sauce they use
I
there.
think they've used a little bit of this red pepper remoulade or something because it's totally different. It's got a little heat and a little twang at the back. It's really good, but it's not North Carolina.
Okay, so just tried some of this mac and cheese, and I actually like a really like thick mac and cheese. Like I don't like it like if it's too. I mean, I do like creamy mac and cheese, but I love like Southern mac and cheese because it's so thick. But this is crazy. Like that is some thick mac and cheese. Like, hold on. Like, look at that. And that's not even like the most I've gotten out of it. Like, it just goes on. It is stringy, it's thick, but I love it. So it's really good. I'm trying this here cheddar biscuit. Is it cheddar? I don't taste much cheddar. It's very dry. Maybe it's just because I've like let it sit out for a while, because it's gotten warmer now. Very dry biscuit. It's not, I don't know. That's not the hottest thing on here.
See, I think it's perfect. I love it.
What's that face about?
It's good. It's very dense, but it's good. It's excellent. I toasted chives a lot. It's good.
Yeah, maybe I just don't like the density of it. I still liked it, but we've got a break through the springs from where we're sitting at right here. You can see how like blue it looks because they dyed like the bottom of the pool blue, but how clear the water is. Really nice view. I also love the decoration here of like the little chicken posters. You can't see them well from where we're sitting at, but they got these like chicken posters all throughout here that are really nice looking. So it's a really, even though we're put like over in this like outer area, we're not in the main dining area, it still looks really nice from where we're at because we got these big open windows here. Servings are definitely enough for 2 people here. Those are our leftovers, so I definitely recommend, and they split it and they still have a lot left over. So there's definitely, you definitely only need like 1 serving like per 2 people. You don't need to eat all of it by yourself because I definitely couldn't, and neither could they, and they were splitting one too. But so the servings are huge here, so keep that in mind. Give another word on the apple pie a la mode moonshine. Like, it is shocking how much that tastes like apple pie. Like because I ordered it, so I don't actually like apple pie that much. And I ordered it, I expected it to just kind of taste like they like apples, but no, it tastes like apple pie, but it's in liquid form. It's crazy. Mom always says very vanilla. I only tasted apple pie personally. But it's still, I mean, I really liked it, even though I don't like apple pie. I was just like so impressed by that fact that like, I'm not someone, I've only had like 1 drink before, so I couldn't taste like the alcohol from that anyway. But what you said you could taste like you couldn't tell there was alcohol, right?
Not at all. It's very sweet on the
Compared to
apple
yours,
pie.
where you could.
I was strong.
Yeah. But so yeah, we really enjoyed it. We're just waiting for our bill now. We got a lot left over in that bag there. Got a lot left over, but it was really good. Our server was really good. She was great. Yeah, so that was Chef Art Smith's Homecoming. We'll probably give him like a more full review when we're back in the room, because we're going to head to Gideon's right after this. That was really good. You get a lot for what you're paying for. It's really big serving sizes. It's really good food. Some of the best fried chicken I've ever had. I love the mac and cheese as well. It's just my kind of mac and cheese, only even thicker, and there's just way more of it. It's a lot stringier, which is a lot of fun. It stayed warm for a long time. Like, it was out here for a while. Like I said, like my biscuit got like warm or like room temperature, but that mac and cheese, like, it was still hot when we put it like to take it away with us. So that was really good. They enjoyed what they got as well, didn't you?
Excellent.
So I really liked my apple pie a la mode moonshine. Kiki, did you like your, what'd you get?
Getting another margarita moonshine to go.
Oh yeah. So that was this place. All right, Double Dippers. We're now back in the car. We're leaving Disney Springs. That might have been a little bit of a chaotic review of Homecoming. I enjoyed it quite a lot. I know I said we'd give like a longer review later. I mean, I said about all I think we need to say. It was really good food. I just wish we could have been in there longer. It felt like we were in there for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But it was still good. Like the food was really, like we still have some of it, so I'm still gonna get to enjoy it later. And there's a lot of it, and it was like some of the best like Southern cooking I've ever had. So there's not any complaint there. It's just like for that atmosphere and stuff, because it's got that really good like Southern country kitchen vibe going on in there, and wish we could have spent more time in there, especially with the view that we had of the Disney Springs. But we went to Gideon's after. I haven't vlogged a whole lot because this isn't our typical vlogging camera I'm working with here. This is my 4K camcorder, which is way too bulky to be vlogging seamlessly with. So that's why it might have been a little bit chaotic, our review and our time in there. It might have seemed even shorter than it felt to us. But we went to Gideon's after. Oh, plus we're pushing my dad around because he's in the wheelchair, so you can't really vlog and push him in a wheelchair at the same time. So that's why once we get to Hollywood Studios and stuff like that, it'll definitely be a lot easier because we won't have all the stuff carrying around with us, like our bags and whatnot. But we still had a good time. Gideon's, we're gonna try it. We're gonna show you because we still have our Gideon's. We went and got Gideon's. We haven't eaten it yet because we were so full from Homecoming. We got it like to go take it. We're gonna go eat it later. So we'll probably cut to us eating Gideon's in our hotel room about now. All right, guys, we're now back in the room. We actually went to, after we left Disney Springs, we went to both of the Character Warehouse, the Disney outlets that are in Orlando. I got a bunch of really cool shirts. I got a Hollywood Tower Hotel shirt and a Monterey and Jack's shirt from Disney's Rescue Rangers, which is really cool. So probably like put a clip of that here of those shirts that I got. So that was really cool. I also got a Wilderness Lodge shirt for my stay at Wilderness Lodge Sunday, so I can wear that shirt on that day, even though it's more of like a fall winter shirt, so it's gonna be a little bit hot. But I'm dedicated to wearing that shirt. But now we've got our Gideon's cookies to eat and our cake right there. So let's try these out. This is actually my first thing of eating from Gideon's ever. They've eaten here a few times at this point, but this will be my first time trying it out, so I'm very excited. Got the Rocky Road. You can see there's like toasted marshmallows on top. And what's the base of it?
Chocolate. Let me see.
Because I would have gotten it because it looked really cool, but it's got candied almonds in it, and I'm really not about almonds, so that wasn't the thing for me.
What do you think, honey?
So what I got was the cookies and cream cookie here, so I'm gonna try that out.
That's good, right?
These are really good. A little bit messy, but it tastes just like cookies and cream ice cream, which is funny because it's pretty much cookie flavored cookies. It tastes like an Oreo. Like it tastes like an Oreo, but it's an Oreo cookie, so it's like really good. But this is a really good cookie. I like this a lot. How's your cake, Mama?
That's really good.
What was it? Andy's mint. What was the rest of it?
Cookies and cream. Mint cookies and cream.
Oh,
That's
okay.
really good.
I didn't realize you liked mint stuff.
Not usually my food, but this is excellent.
Okay. You like your cookie, Daddy? What? Okay, I guess he likes his cookie.
No, I mean, I've got the,
That's really good. Oh, it tells you on the box, Ian. Look.
Oh, yeah, Andy's mint cake. So yeah, I'm really impressed with my first time at Gideon's. So the plan from here is, I don't know, what time are we going to be leaving here, do you think?
Probably soon. Grant wants us there any minute.
Okay, so we're going to be leaving here pretty much right away as far as you're concerned. But we're actually going to go watch fireworks. Are we watching it from their hotel, or?
He says Coronado Springs.
Okay, well, because they're eating at Maya Grill at Coronado, so I think we're going to go to Coronado and watch fireworks with them there. So that should be the first time we're going to see them this trip at all. We haven't seen them since they left. Well, actually, I haven't seen them since Saturday, but Mom only saw them when they left Sunday. So we'll get to see them tonight, and then we'll finally get to bring the Double Dip team back together again. So we'll see you there.